Welcome to the first installment of some adventures around New South Wales and Australia, documenting some of the most breathtaking natural landscapes and hidden gems that Australia has to offer. To document this experience, both videography from the ground as well as aerial shots will be used to try and capture all aspects of these locations. My DJI Mini 2 drone offers unlimited capabilities to fly kilometers away and hundreds of meters into the sky to capture aspects of these environments that wouldn't be visible from our own two eyes, as you can see here. So, after a windy 2-hour drive, me and two friends had arrived at the base of our hike, Lockley's Pylon walking track, a 2 to 3 hour return trip showing off some of the Blue Mountains' most beautiful landscapes. And as told on the National Parks New South Wales website, it is an invigorating walk, offering awe-inspiring views of the Grose Valley, outstanding photography opportunities and beautiful wildflower displays. Named after J.G. Lockley, a journalist who supported conservation efforts to save the blue gum forests from logging in the 1930s. With some of the best views in the Blue Mountains, this walk traverses through the heath to a small peak overlooking eucalyptus forests of the Grose Valley. So, with this being said, it was time to commence our journey to Lockley's Pylon. And after approximately 30 minutes of walking, we saw ourselves off the path and headed towards a large rock formation. With stunning views overlooking the valley and the rest of the track, we would later venture to. And this was our first opportunity to send the drone up and see what the rest of the trip had in store for us. And then, over an hour later of walking through a stunning white, windy path, we had made it to Lockley's Pylon. We then settled down for lunch and sent the drones up for some of my most favourite aerial shots I have ever taken.